This is Winter Field Day, Kilo 6 Tango Uniform Oscar. 500 points! Woohoo! And it's below the sun over here, on a path going like this way across.
Amateur radio repeater satellite. And you can actually talk on single sideband to other stations through this satellite. But it's moving so fast that the software that's tracking it is adjusting the frequency of your radio for the Doppler shift, because you'd have to chase it with a dial if you didn't.
Oh, hey.
You got it?
I thought I heard something. It's tough looking into the sun. It's a source of noise. On the other hand, I know I'm on it. Because it's going right across the face of the sun. Normally you're kind of lost in the sky of where is it? Is it over here, over there? Degrees are way up right now in elevation. We're 20 degrees up. Kilo 6 Tango Uniform Oscar. Kilo 6 Tango Uniform Oscar in Charlie Mike 9er 8. Right now it's just a hair under the sun. This is Kilo 6 Tango Uniform Oscar, Charlie Mike 9er 8. This is K6TUO trying to get into RS44 from Charlie Mike 9er 8. Well, it's within about 1,000 miles of Earth now. Or from this point. It's always about 870 miles above the Earth.
6 Kilo Yankee India.
Whiskey 8 Tango Bravo. Whiskey 8 Tango Bravo.
Echo 6 Kilo Yankee India.
You may have gotten it. Kilo 6 Tango Uniform Oscar, Charlie Mike 9er 8. Yeah, that sounds like... See, people who don't have computers will try to dial themselves in. Our Kilo 6 Tango Uniform Oscar. Radio Oscar, this is Kilo 6 Tango Uniform Oscar, Charlie Mike 9er 8.
Delta 6 Romeo Lima Romeo, Delta Mike 1.
This is Winter Field Day, Kilo 6 Tango Uniform Oscar, Charlie Mike 9er 8.
Kilo 7 Tango to Juliet. Kilo 7 Echo Juliet, W6RO, 3X, even Winter Field Day. 6 Romeo Oscar, Kilo 7 to Juliet, Delta Mike 33, Winter Field Day, but I'm 1 east. Yeah, there's no okay, we're just operating Winter Field Day. This is end of operating 6RO record.
Kilo 6 Tango Uniform Oscar, Charlie Mike 98.
6 Romeo Oscar, Echo stroke 7. Oh, mirrors on that. YSC stroke 7, Q7, Whiskey 6 Romeo Oscar, 3 LAX. Thanks for the point.
Kilo 6 Tango Uniform Oscar, Charlie Mike 98. The Delta Micah 33 station. This is K6 Tango Uniform Oscar, Charlie Mike 98, QSL.
Kilo Tango, uniform on. 1998, QSL, 17.
500 points.
Woohoo!
73. Thank you for the contact. K6TUO.
6RO, 6RLR. I think I'm with go Orange County. 6RLR, QSL, Doug, 3 Oscar LAX. Have fun and 6RLR, K6, Delta Mike 33. Question mark, WA6RLR, 1 Orange County. RLR, QSL 1E, 1E. Yep, we're here, 7.